In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Teams calendar now powered by Outlook. First, we'll start by logging into your Microsoft Outlook account. Head over to your preferred browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button, which is prominently displayed for your convenience. You'll then be directed to the Sign In page where you need to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and input your email address and password, and once you've done that, click Next. This will bring you directly into the Outlook interface. At this point, you might notice some new features and changes. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited recently. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll spot Teams, conveniently located next to the Meet Now option. A simple click on Teams will expertly navigate you to the Microsoft Teams application. The beauty of this integration is that you can perform multiple functions within Microsoft Teams. You have the capability to chat with colleagues, set up online meetings or conferences with individual people or groups, and essentially build or engage community networks. However, our focus today is mainly on how the calendar works within this setup. To schedule an event or meeting, look at the top right corner of the calendar view, where you'll find the New Meeting button. By clicking on this, you open up a host of options for tailoring your meeting to exactly fit your needs. You can select a specific date by clicking on any vacant slot on your calendar, making it extremely intuitive to plan ahead and organize your commitments effectively. If you have a meeting ID and password, there's no need to worry. Microsoft Teams allows you to join meetings with these credentials, ensuring that you can easily connect, even if you haven't organized the meeting yourself. Additionally, should you need to start a meeting immediately, the Meet Now feature is a fantastic solution. By clicking Meet Now, you can initiate a meeting on the spot and share the meeting link with participants, and allowing for instant collaboration. The combination of Microsoft Outlook and Teams creates a seamless experience that enhances productivity and keeps everything synchronized across platforms, making sure you never miss a beat. We hope this walkthrough helps unlock new efficiencies in your work or personal life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.